Hey everyone, today Zion and I are going to show you how to replace the microfilters on a BMW 5 Series G30 vehicle. The part number that you're going to need for this is 64115A1B DB7. What a weird part number. Zion, you ready to do this? Alright, let's do it. So one thing to watch for when you're doing these, they are directional. There are arrows with airflow. You can see the arrows right here. So when we put these in, we want to make sure that they're matching the correct airflow direction. Now you're going to find these microfilters over by the glove box area on the passenger side under the kick panel. These collect pollen and dust from getting into the vehicle. So up under the dash, there's these twist clips right here. I'm using the camera to find it. Okay. So you just twist these and it releases the panel. There's the one on the towards the tunnel. Once you get the inner twist clip off, you just grab right here and give it a little yank. This is held on by a clip right on the side right here towards the tunnel, and then this comes down. You see you have a little guide right here. Don't forget to unplug your light so you don't damage that connector. And then we can take this whole panel out of our way. Recording under a dash is always a little bit more difficult, but let me just show you real quick. We have a fuse panel over here towards the A pillar. Here's your blower motor right here. Right, here's your connector. And then over towards the tunnel, you have this piece right here. We have this drain right here, and we have this cover, and under this cover is the microfilters. So right here, this little rubber drain right here just slides off. We want to remember to put that back on. We have to take off these two screws right here and right here. You're going to need a T20 to take these screws out. Take out both of these screws. So with those screws out and this cover is now ready to come out, you're just going to just pull down gently on the clip on the side over here. So this cover now comes off. It's just held on by these tabs right here. So you just press these tabs and pull this cover down, and you should be able to finagle this out to access the microfilters. Let's pull one out so you can see the direction. There's the airflow. The airflow arrow goes towards the engine compartment. Let's pull this cover out. You can see that it's held on by these tabs on the sides, which go into, there's two microfilters, which go into this little holder right here on both sides. There's one back there as well. You can see how dirty these microfilters get just from normal use, so it is a good idea to replace them, and they really do a good job in cleaning out the air that's coming into the cabin. Look how filthy that is. It's actually a lot of dirt as compared to a nice clean one. Let me put a clean one side by side. Here's a clean one versus a dirty one. So right there is where we're working. That's the two slots for the microfilters. We have our airflow, which is facing towards the engine, and I'm just going to go ahead and slide that into place. Now when you're putting this cover in, you want to get the back side in first, because you have this vent that's in your way, or this, it's actually a harness protector. So you have this harness protector here that's in the way. So get the back corner in first, and then you can line up the front ones right there into the slot, and then wiggle everything up into place as long as your vent isn't in the way. All right, now that the drain tube is out of the way, I'm gonna do the same thing. There's the two slots are right back here. I know, working on the dash is so hard to record under a dash. Hook those two and just clip that up into place. We're gonna put the two screws in, put our drain in, and we're gonna be good to go. Once you have the two screws in, now all we have to do is put the drain tube back on, and you're good to go. We just put the cover on. So put the panel basically in place, and then remember to plug in the footwell light first, and then you can finagle everything up into place. Now for this kick panel, there isn't any locators in the back. It's actually in the tunnel over here. There's a plastic prong that goes up into a hole right in this corner. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. And then it locks in with this clip right here, like so. And then, you see how this hangs down? You're just gonna put that in place and then twist lock that into place. We're gonna do the same thing here. Twist lock, covers back on, fully secure, and you've just replaced the cabin air filters for your car. All right, everyone, microfilters are replaced. Zion says it's definitely something that you can do yourself at home.